Huh? Huh? You want my make me? What? So this is IKEA food court, and this is first time she come to. First time she tried. First time she tried to. So first thing we have to take the trolley from there. Okay?
No, why you make me?
And then we pay here, not straight go back.
I know what I should do.
So this. So this trolley, you have to put the tray first. 1, 2, 3.
Enough, right?
Yeah. Saturday, Sunday is too much people here. If normal days, not many people, but all working people come out Saturday, Sunday. Business people can come anytime.
Lucky I am. I'm not a worker.
Then for what today you come? I never work.
Because I accompanying you, or no?
I'm not worker. I can come anytime. You
You're
have to
accompanying me.
have holiday only for Saturday, Sunday.
I'm not worker. I'm businesswoman. You don't know about it.
So come to Monday again. Tuesday. Monday is public holiday.
Apple and strawberry. And this one. This apple.
Okay. This is fish and chip. This is meatball. And this is steak.
Oh, okay, thank you.
It's together?
Yes.
No need. It's enough, I think. We get a cheesecake and this and fish and chips and steak. No need. It's already enough. Egg tart, I think I like it. Yeah. Okay, I will take egg tart. So this is for coffee refill. One. And one take that glass. Yeah, maybe down here. Glass for drink. Or maybe from there. Oh, she will. Okay. The water fall down near the meat.
Coffee or tea?
Have 1 cup for coffee and one for 1 coffee.
Coffee milk.
No coffee. Oh, it's not refill. Coffee not refill.
Black coffee yang refill. Oh, black coffee yang refill. But
Normal coffee don't have.
kalau tea,
So
ini refill. Iya jadi tea aja.
this tea. Don't like? You like it? Okay.
You want coffee?
I want to drink only that one. Because normally I know their coffee very nice, but refill. No coffee. But now they change it. But soft drink refill, right? Put it.
This?
So what you want to do? You want to buy IKEA ice cream? Okay. So put it here. Then the coin is here. Okay.
Is it right?
No. Yeah. Okay.
It is my first card in